Hey, good afternoon, rail fans. Long time no see. Partially a long time no see because there just hasn't been much to see. And, well, today there's something to see. It's Memorial Day weekend. Thank you for those veterans who gave it all. Much appreciated. And so what we have here for you today is a northbound train. It's a stacked train, so that's not very exciting, but on the tail end are the officer special cars. And I just found out this morning that CN 3309, which was a unit that had the new old Wafer logo on the side. Wafer logo meaning the Canadian National logo that you used to see on steam trains. And this one locomotive, 3309, had that logo on the side, which I thought was really cool. And it typically pulled the officer special train wherever. I've got a couple videos of it. And I found out this morning they pulled that decal off. And I think it was a decal, but regardless, it's gone. And so found out that this morning, and then a couple hours later, I get a heads up on Facebook that that train is headed north, taped onto the end of a stack train. So here I am, waiting for it to come through. And this is a bit frustrating for me because, as most of you rail fans know, ATCS monitor on the Waukesha sub went dead a couple of weeks ago. And so trying to figure out when this train is actually going to be here is a real pain. I'm having to do this old school. I have my scanner with me listening for the head of train and end of train chirps. And yeah, it's kind of a pain. I've already been out here too long. If it wasn't for the webcams, I would have no idea where this train is at all. But anyway, so I missed the head unit, or it actually is kind of already up there. So I'm sitting next to the train and waiting for it to pull up, and so I can see the passenger cars and see 3309 without the Wafer logo. It looks, I'm guessing it's still going to be shiny, but I don't know. Really curious as to why CN pulled that logo off the side. It was as closest thing to a heritage unit as they really have. So who knows? Anyway, have a great Memorial Day weekend and enjoy the sketch. Rugby Junction signing off.